I'm Fatima Gafar, alumni of EdSkills Center of Finance. I'm confident to praise EdSkills faculty. They're fully equipped with world-class exposure and possess decades of business and teaching experience. I believe there is no alternative of experience. Basically, EdSkills endeavor to offer the best classroom environment to their students. EdSkills adapted to offer premium lecture delivery system. They use innovative technologies as multimedia, touchscreens, and other support teaching tools. It had been the happiest days for students when they feel freedom from copying lectures board. Basically, they focus on understanding the concept and interact with the teacher. EdSkills faculty is the only one which focus on delivering lectures, and they share lectures with their students on daily basis. So I want to ask you guys, when it was the last time you scored 100% attendance in your session? EdSkills students never miss their attendance. Every lecture is recorded and shared with their students. Have you ever noticed what was the international standard size for a classroom? It is basically restricted to 60 students per class. But EdSkills is the only institute in Pakistan which restricted their classroom size to 25 students just to focus on every single student. We have recorded 90% result on PRC level and prospect to achieve milestone at CAP level. Thank you.